Images from Perseverance after Ingenuity completes its 7th flight. How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, Ingenuity has recovered from its recent setback and performed its 7th flight today. Having lost orientation after receiving bad navigational data, Ingenuity was still able to land only 16 feet from its intended target. As you watch the recording of Ingenuity's 6th flight from its onboard camera, you get an idea of just how shaky that flight was. The Perseverance rover was even able to use its telescopic lens to check up on the Ingenuity drone, ensuring that the aircraft was in the right position for the next flight. Ingenuity was heading south this time from its previous landing zone, about 150 feet. From the flight, images will be beamed back over the course of the next 3 days from the Ingenuity drone, and NASA engineers will work feverishly to piece together all the bits of data from that flight. As we wait with anticipation, I can't feel but proud of the little drone that could. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.